If you've never used slash commands before, say hello to your new best friend. This feature takes saving time to a whole new level. Instead of having to click around and hunt for the right buttons, options, or pages, the actions you need to assign tasks, format copy, embed web links, and more are always at your fingertips. We'll start with using slash commands in tasks. Once your task is created, hit the / key in the task title. A menu will appear with a list of the available slash commands you can select. First things first, let's assign this task to the right person. Next, we'll set this task as being due today. Finally, name your task, hit enter one last time, and you're all set. Notice how you never had to touch your mouse. Using slash commands in task descriptions is just as easy. Here, you can embed the latest file before looping your designer in for edits. Now let's hit up the task comments and use slash commands to assign him a comment sharing ideas in a doc for new blog illustrations. Type /doc, give your doc a name, and post your comment by hitting enter. You've just assigned someone an action item, created and attached a doc, and left a new comment in seconds, all with just your keyboard. Speaking of docs, slash commands are your secret weapon of productivity. They'll help you get beautiful rich text formatting, easy code blocking, and more. With a simple slash, we can reformat, create an instant table, or even embed anything, including GIFs from Giphy. Saving time has never been this much fun. Using slash commands will soon become second nature to your workflow, and the time you save on clicking around is truly priceless. As always, we're here if you have any questions. Hit us up at help@clickup.com. We'll see you next time.